हेलो हेलो हेलो।
आलमनी एसोसिएशन तरफ स्वागत करुच्ची। आमे बहुत शीघ्र वर्तमान आमर प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करिबा। मोर मोर अनुरोध समस्त को आप निज निज सीट रे बसी जातु। आमे बहुत शीघ्र उत्कल जननी वंदना गाय आरंभ करिया को जाउछु। आमर ए 16तम आलमनी एसोसिएशन अधिवेशन को उत्कल जननी वंदना गाई आरंभ करिबा। मु समस्त को अनुरोध करुच्ची जेतेबेले जनांटी जेतेबेले तांकर वंदना बाजिब आमर सेतेबेले दयाकरी ठिया हो जाई सम्मान जनांतु। धन्यवाद। वर्तमान वंदे उत्कल जननी आरंभ होगा को जाउछि।
वन्दे उत्कल जननी 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 चारु हासमयी चारु भासमयी जननी 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 वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी तपयोधि विधौत शरीरा तालतमाल सुशोभित तीरा सुप्रतटिनि कुल शिखर सुमीरा जननी 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 वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी घन घन वन भूमि राजित अंगे नीलभूधर माला साजित रंगे कण कण मुखरित चारु विहंगे जननी 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 वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी
धन्यवाद। दयाक निज स्थान ग्रहण करंतु। आपण मानकर अवगति निमंते मोर विश्वास आपण माने विषय अवगत थिबे किंतु आपण अवगति निमंते जणाई देउछु जे आजिर सभार समस्त कार्यक्रम लाइव ट्रांसमिट होउची एवं ट्रांसमिशन लिंकटा ऑलरेडी आमर ग्रुप रे दे दिया हिची। तेणु जदि आपण मानकर केही आलमनाई एठी न अछंती एवं ସେମାନେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଏବେ ବି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଇନଫର୍ମ କରିପାରିବେ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଆଜିର ସଭାର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା। ଆମର ଉଦ୍ୟୋକ୍ତା ଏବଂ ଅତିଥିମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମର ଷ୍ଟେଜ ଉପରକୁ ଇନଭାଇଟ୍ କରି ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଷ୍ଟେଜ ଉପରକୁ ନିମନ୍ତ୍ରଣ କରୁଛି ଆମର बड़ भाई मुख्य आमर ए भुवनेश्वर चैप्टर आलमनी प्रेसिडेंट ब्रह्मा मिश्र को करताली रे तांकर आगमन को स्वागत करने को अनुरोध। बहुत वर्ष धरी आमर ब्रह्मा मिश्र जी की आम समस्त आम आटलिस्ट मो बैच समस्त ब्रह्मा भाईना हिसाब से जनाशुना आम सी आमर मुख्य ये हिसाब से सब कार्यक्रम को बहुत दिन बहुत आमको एनकरेज कर धन्यवाद। तापरे नेक्स्ट होचंती आमर वेल नोन पर्सनालिटी सत्य शिव सुंदर पंडा एसएसएस पंडा तांको विषय इंट्रोडक्शन द्वार किसी आवश्यकता अच्छे भावु ना सी निजे सब बेले सब जगह सेल्फ इंट्रोड्यूस्ड सी हेले आज्ञा सेक्रेटरी आम आलमनी एसोसिएशन भुवनेश्वर चैप्टर तृतीय स्टेज उपरको आसपा निमंत्रण कर तृतीय भाव में आमर पूर्वतन सभापति माणिक प्रधान भाई वाइस प्रेसिडेंट आलमनी एसोसिएशन भुवनेश्वर चैप्टर से बहुत लो प्रोफाइल मेंटेन करते किंतु बैक ऑफिस रे तांकर कार्यक्रम तांका एक्टिविटी ही आज यही सेशन को बहुत आगु को नबारे सफल करिवारे सहाय्य करिछि। चतुर्थ भाव में मु इनागोरेट करी जहाँ को आप समस्ते जानती एठिकार होस्ट आमर तांको जोगु आमर गत 2-3 थर एसोसिएशन मीटिंग बहुत सफल होती श्री प्रशांत आचार्य मो सान भाई किंतु सान भाई हेले भी सी होचंती गोटे स्टेबिलिटी रो गोटे मेजर कंट्रीब्यूटर ये आलमनी एसोसिएशन रो ए फंक्शन रे सी हेले उपसभापति एवं पंचमने निमंत्रण करी आमर बड़ भाई मोर बड़ भाई जेपी महांती से हेले ट्रेजरर कोषाध्यक्ष वर्तमान कोषाध्यक्ष नुहे से बहुत वर्ष धरी कोषाध्यक्ष कार्य बिजी रही आछंती एवं सेथिपाई सभार प्रोसीडिंग्स सबु बेले स्मूथली चली। षष्ठ हेले आमर मोर सान भाई एवं पुराना प्रेसिडेंट अशेष पाढ़ी से वर्तमान ये नहांती किंतु से आसवे और अशेष पाढ़ी को भी आपण मान भर अनेक जानती से आगु बहुत निजर उपस्थिति को एस्टाब्लीश करिसेंती। एवं सप्तम एवं शेष एवं अत्यंत गुरुत्वपूर्ण अतिथि हेले आजिर प्रोफेसर विभूति भूषण पति वाइस चांसेलर बुर्ला वीर सुरेंद्र साय यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी वर्तमान वाइस चांसेलर एवं आजिर सम्मान्य अतिथि हाँ हाँ जहाँ मुझे भावुली जे गोटे सीट खाली रमिति प्रोग्रामटा स्टार्ट करवा भाई अशेष मत मत निराश न करी अशेष पाड़ी ठीक समय आसी पहुंची जाइए धन्यवाद। आज्ञा अशेष बाबू आसिया भितर मुझे समस्त कहीदे जे साधारणतः गत 15 वर्ष भितर यही जो कार्यक्रम मुझे जो आनाउंस करुँच जहाँ कहूँ मुझे स्टेज पर ठिया होती ये कामटा विमल भाई करते 1922 विमल मिश्र आज्ञा सी बहुत वर्ष करी बहुत एक्सपीरियंस थे सी आज मो सामने भी बसी तांकर असुस्थता जो ही मुझे ये ठिया होती मुझे ये चांस पाई तेणु मोर अनुरोध जे आपण मैंने सब ये कहू परफॉर्मेंस को करताली स्वागत करते मत करताली दिंतु न दिंतु अत्यंत गाड़ी देकी एटलिस्ट मत स्वागत करतु नहीं बुके पछे न मिलू ब्रिक बैट्स न दिंतु। थैंक यू। समस्त को फूल तोड़ा सहित स्वागत जनाई सारे मी थैंक यू विमल भाई आशीर्वाद बोलने मुझे आज गोटे फूल तोड़ा भी पाई आज्ञा अन्य समस्त गेस्ट मुझे चीफ कोऑर्डिनेटर मुझे जानी मुझे कौन कोऑर्डिनेट कर किंतु भल लगुच फूल तोड़ाटे पाइबा एवं मु विमल भाई अलरेडी कही सारी मुझे विमल भाई को उत्सर्ग कर न वर्तमान सभार गुरुत्वपूर्ण काम को आम आसवा गुरुत्वपूर्ण स्टेज को हूँ आमर आम ओडिया आज्ञा आम सब कम ओडिशा रे सब कम जगन्नाथ को प्रथमे सम्मान जन के जगन्नाथ आशीर्वाद नहीं हुए ये आज भी आम से करवा जगन्नाथ आशीर्वाद नवा और दीप जलवा और आम कम आरंभ करवा तेणु मु अनुरोध करी मु अनुरोध करी जय भाई एठिक आसतु मु अनुरोध करी ब्रह्मा भाईना को जे काइंडली जगन्नाथ को फूल अर्पण करने समस्ते अन्य समस्त को सहयोग करी फूल अर्पण करने एवं तापर जगन्नाथ को फूल दे दीप जालिबे सो ए दीप जालियापाई आमर गोटे ट्रेडिशन अच्छी जे दीप दीप जालिबाटा खाली गोटे दीप जालिबा नुहे दीप जालिया पछरे बहुत किछि महत्व रही बर्तमान मो पाखे जयी भाई अच्छा सी आपण मानू बड़ संक्षेप से गायकी शुणे
हेलो हेलो जना जना ना ना मतलब सेठू से येटा दवा पड़ो माने ऑक्सफोर्ड
हैं
ऑक्सफोर्ड
सेठी पड़े ଆମର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା ଗୋटे ସଂକ୍ଷେପରେ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କର ଗୋटे ଜଣାଣରୁ ଏବଂ ଆମର ସୁଯୋଗ୍ୟ ଗାୟକ ଜୟୀ भाई जी के 1984 ग्राजुएट आमरी बुर्लार सी बर्तमान ये जगन्नाथ जनाणटा आपण समय सांगे ये कर
हेलो हेलो हेलो
जय जगन्नाथ कोठ भोग खिया कोठ भोग खिया मोचका खिया कोठ भोग खिया मोचका खिया उठ हे पहड़ भांगी उठ हे पहड़ भांगी
धन्यवाद बहुत बढ़िया जनाटी गाइले मु निश्चित जे समस्त मन को छुई एवं आज सभार आरंभ पे यहाँ गोटे बहुत बढ़िया स्टार्ट होती ब्रह्म भाई बर्तमान जाऊँगी दीप जलवाई तेणु टिके जय भाई को मोर अनुरोध जे गोटे दीप
शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपं ज्योति परं ब्रह्म दीपं ज्योति जनार्दनं दीपो हरतु मे पापं दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते।
मोर अनुरोध कि आमर आलमनाइज कॉलेज रो पुरातन छात्रवृंदर गोटे सभा तांकर छात्रवृंद तांकर परिवार वर्ग सहित आसी ये उपस्थित रही आमे समस्ते बहुत पुराना कथा चिंता करवा बहुत आग कथा चिंता करवा वर्तमान समय एकाठी हबार भी मजा नवा किंतु ए सबू जिनस पूर्वर आम गोटाए जिनस आम समस्त को आगु भी व्यतीत करतमान भी कर जे यही गत वर्ष टू यही वर्ष भितर आम किसी आमर यही व्यक्ति को हरईचु जो मैंने गत वर्ष ये आम सहित थिले किंतु ए वर्ष ये ना आमर किसी शिक्षक जो मैंने गत वर्ष आमको आशीर्वाद देते ए वर्ष ये ना आमर यही आज सभार कार्यक्रम को आगु को नवा पूर्वर मु समस्त को अनुरोध करी जे सेमानकर स्मृति रे आमे टिके निजको बुड़े दबा एवं समस्ते जानती जे मनीष जन्म हेले निश्चय मरिब समस्ते जी जहाँ सृष्टि होती तार विनाश निश्चित किंतु एवं अनेक आमर चिंता करेंगे जे जो मैंने भगवान को विश्वास करते से चिंता करेंगे आत्मा भगवान को पाखु चलीगला जो मैंने भगवान को विश्वास न करते नहीं से चिंता करेंगे नष्ट हो गला किंतु जहाँ हेले भी आमे सेमानकर स्मृति को तो भूली पारिबा नहीं तेणु सेमानकर स्मृति रे एवं सेमानकर अनुपस्थिति रे आमर दुख प्रकाश करने मु समस्त को अनुरोध करी जे गोटे मिनिट पाई नीरव प्रार्थना करेंगे एवं जय भाई को अनुरोध करी जे गीतार गोटे उपयुक्त श्लोक से समय से पाठ करेंगे दयाकोरी ठिया अनुरोध
जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृहाति नरोपरणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णा नन्नाति सयाति नवानि देहि नन्नानि संजाति नवानि देहि ओम शांति शांति शांति।
थैंक यू जय भाई। बर्तमान आम आमर सभा मुख्य कार्य आरंभ करवा पूर्व कहीदिए जे वर्तमान जयी भाई जो गीत गायिक आपको शुणेले भजन एवं श्लोक यार आउरी आगुकू आउरी प्रोग्राम अच्छी 3टा बेले आमर यूनिकलिंग ऑर्केस्ट्रा द्वारा यही प्रोग्राम पर लंच पर यही हॉल रे ऑर्केस्ट्रा गीत शुणियार अरेंजमेंट होती मोर अनुरोध जे आपण मैंने समस्ते सेटा को भी एंजॉय करंतु एवं आपण धन्यवाद दिंतु वर्तमान आमर सभार मुख्य कार्यक्रम आरंभ करवा आमर सभापति आलमनी एसोसिएशन ओडिशा भुवनेश्वर चैप्टर श्रीजुक्त ब्रह्मा मिश्रंकर अभिभाषण रू धन्यवाद।
जय जगन्नाथ। I wish all of you a very, very happy, prosperous, eventful New Year of 2025. Praying Lord Jagannath to bless all of you and your family members in each and every endeavor that you undertake this New Year 2025. I heartily welcome all the old students of Burla. I heartily welcome our respected professors, those who have come to encourage us. I happily welcome the Vice Chancellor and office bearers of Alumni Association. It is a great pleasure and privilege to spend time with our colleagues, old friends, younger students, and also the ladies and spouse. Indeed, as you all know, that Burla is growing and our university is growing. The way we entered at that college and today there is a world of difference, and we are expecting that during the next decade it will undergo a sea change and it is aimed to be one of the best university of the country. And in this pursuit, many of you, those who have contributed directly or indirectly, I must extend my sincere thanks to all of you. As you all know, that this year we are going to felicitate our 83 and 84 batch, those who passed out, who are still lagging behind, and we are trying to cover up 2 batches at a time. So this year around 166 all students will be facilitated by us. Amongst us, our ex-BC, Mr. Vanshidhar Maji also is there. And today, in fact, our present VC is also Vivitya was present here. And many of our old batches, they have also come and participated. So this winter morning is because of Prashant Acharya Tulu. This environment is very, very friendly and we all will enjoy it. I only request our VC to have more interaction with the old boys, with the present students. That will enhance their career enhancement. That will also have a lot of interaction which will be good for them, and also many of us, those who have worked in industries, they will have the first-hand information and how to save themselves, how to make them good personalities, so that they perform well in their life. And also, there should be under one umbrella all the ex-students, present students, professors, and also all a directory should be made where a lot of skilled people, experienced people, though their telephone number and names are there, but about that career profile, if it can be compiled, it will be a great source of information for many industries. And Odisha, as you know, is emerging as one of the Sambhavana Rajya boli jo Pradhan Mantri koile, Prabasi Bharatiya amar heitila 8th, 9th, 10th. Yesterday also, we organized one Pravasi Odia. So many people from abroad, they had come, participated. We felicited them. So, in fact, it is a great opportunity to meet at least once in a year, but more often there should be more interaction among the students and also the old boys, passing out students. And many of our friends also, Ravi is here, many of our friends, they have come from abroad. Those have been excelling abroad. And, if you can make a small directory of putting their CVs, it will be serving the entire state and total industries. With these words, again, I welcome all of you and I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
धन्यवाद सभापति ब्रह्मा मिश्र साहेब आमर द्वितीय वक्ता एटी सेक्रेटरी श्री सत्यशिव सुंदर पंडा से आपण को गत वर्ष रिपोर्ट प्रदान करेंगे
Happy New Year and pray good health and happiness to all. Respected my professor, ex-faculty of UC and BSUT, respected dignitaries on the dais, Brahma Mishra, President of Bhubaneswar Chapter, Professor Vibhuti Pati, the Chief Guest, BC BSUT, Manik Pradhan, Vice President of Bhubaneswar Chapter, Jagannath Mohanty, Treasurer, Bhubaneswar Chapter, Prashant Acharya, Vice President, Bhubaneswar Chapter, Ashish Padi, the Great, Global President. All my respect to the senior alumni who has come here, my batchmates, my junior alumni, and the better halves of the participants. Alumni Bhubaneswar Chapter is the most active alumni chapter out of many chapters of BSUT, continuing to keep alumni under one umbrella and work for the welfare and development of the alma mater at need of ours. This chapter started keeping alumni together and made the highest contribution to make the Golden Jubilee in a grand success. Maximum alumni attended the Golden Jubilee at UC campus from Bhubaneswar Chapter. Bhubaneswar Chapter organized the closing of Golden Jubilee at Bhubaneswar by inviting the Honorable Vice President of India as the chief guest. Considering the plight of UC under BPUT, UC and its alumni demanded for the State Unitary University, and Bhubaneswar Chapter has played the vital role. So the birth of BSUT, now we see. Bhubaneswar Chapter has contributed to purchase half acre of land, government IDCO land at Bhubaneswar, and have handed over to BSUT for the alumni house and extension center for off-campus of BSUT. Now alumni have contributed around 3 crores to MOAP's account and request VC BSUT to take necessary steps for construction of building for off-campus of BSUT over the said plot of land with the prevailing rules of the state government of 2/3 sharing of government towards 1/3 contribution of the alumni, which will facilitate better placement. Here I want to say for information to all alumni that my batch 1984, though retired, have contributed 15.50 lakhs, and the first batch to enter the Hall of Fame, and maximum 131 batchmates have contributed for the said cause, along their attachment and attitude towards the alma mater. None from any other batches have contributed in such large numbers. I am proud of my batch. Thereafter, other 3 batches, 1987, 1992 and 1982, have entered to the Hall of Fame by contributing more than 10 lakhs, which was a condition of Visud board. The highest made by the 87 batch contributing more than 50 lakhs and 92 batch contributing more than 30 lakhs. Hope many other batches are near to 10 lakhs, such as 83 batch, 80 batch, they are the most rich retired officers. So I think, Prabir bhai, eta apanko pai, your batch is very near to 10 lakhs and I wish your batch should enter to the Hall of Fame. And 83 batch, they will be felicitated today. My request to them, they should enter to the Hall of Fame, which I wish for the cause of alma mater they should contribute. The detail will be explained by VC Visud and Ashish Padi, the global president. With the help of the present president, Bhubaneswar chapter, Brahma Bhai, with proper coordination with the state government, Visud has been granted 2,000 crore sanction for the development and way forward of Visud, which we would like to see a better Visud. Request VC Visud to kindly throw light on this outcome of the said sanction of Government of Odisha. Bhubaneswar chapter to keep harmony and bonding with the student of Visud to motivate the students, facilitate the topper of all branches of final year student so that first year to pre-final year student will be motivated to study well. The finance felicitation is being sponsored by Sri Prasant Acharya, Vice President of Bhubaneswar chapter. He is of 1987 batch and Vice President of Bhubaneswar chapter. And he is owner of this premises, a convention where we are organizing our alumni meet. Each year we felicitate 2 batches, and this year 1983 and my batch 1984 batch, which is my batch, both the batches will be honored and felicitated by the senior alumni. Hope future will continue onwards. This is a good practice to keep all alumni under one umbrella. We remember our retired professors, our well-wishers. Sir, apan manaku pranam. And love to see them attending in their ripe age. So also our senior alumni joining the alumni meet at their super senior citizen, showing their love and affection towards the young alumni. This is the bonding and relation of alumni with retired professor, faculties and students in UC Visud, and only happens in UC. You won't find in other institute. And we carry forward it in alumni meet each year. Today in this 16th alumni meet, for the first time, registration is made online and nearly 500 alumni and 600 heads with their spouse have joined and is growing year after year to strengthen the Bhubaneswar chapter. Around 70 numbers of 1983 batch and 100 numbers, have a clap, 100 numbers, we are 100, of 1984 batch have registered for this felicitation. Highest participants ever in each any of the batches felicitated from 1960 till last year, 81 and 82 batch were felicitated. Especially for my batch joining in TON. So I am very happy that my batch has joined in 100 numbers. Hope in coming years our junior batch will break my batch numbers of participation. I suggest the junior batch from 2000 to 2024 to have their WhatsApp group of their batch and to join in large numbers, though many are working in Government of Odisha but are not joining. The reason is best known to them. Their participation is very poor. From those batches, joining members are 1, 2 and 3, and some batches have none. Many, maybe we are not able to reach them, or they don't have that attitude for alumni and alma mater. This all is possible due to participation and cooperation of alumni for their participation, and hope it should continue in future. Very much grateful to the retired professor of UC and VSUD for joining and blessing us. We are very happy to have the alumni and retired professor with us. This function could be successful due to the sponsors, MCL, from where I have retired, IMPA, GIFT, the owner is an alumni of UC, Mr. Patito Pavan Panda, Asotech, Karo and Karo Consultancy and Fund Advisor who has sponsored the return gift. Guru Maharaj Engineering Private Limited, Skippers Limited, SNM Group, SSNR Projects Limited, IIMT, the owner is also an alumni, and L&T Construction and Chevrox. The other major contribution is our alumni working in Government of Odisha in RD, WRD, PhD, Electrical Inspector Department. Alumni in state government are working in large numbers and have major role in building and modernization and develop Odisha. This time, on our request, our alumni from BSNL have provided the live streaming so it can be viewed by the alumni who could not attend this alumni meet through the link. The link has been provided in the group. All my sincere thanks to the sponsors, and please give a big clap for them. Without them, the function would not have been possible. All my sincere thanks to Sri Brahma Misra, President of this chapter, for continuously guiding us to conduct all events in a better way. Sri Manik Pradhan, Vice President, Jagannath Mahanti, Treasurer, Prasant Acharya, Vice President, giving their valuable time and daily monitoring point-to-point program and always available when required. Sri Ajay Pradhan, the Chief Coordinator for this registration, and Sri Satish Agarwal, he has played a major role in this registration part. Executive member of our Bhubaneswar chapter, delivering their computer work and finding junior alumni towards such work of registration and volunteership. So last but not the least, volunteers who helped us for such success of the meet. The certificate of appreciation given to 1983 and 84 batch has been written by Barda Praras. He was my roommate. He writes well in a cursive handwriting. Thank you, Barda. I am grateful for the large gathering of alumni and their better halves to join in large numbers to make the program a grand success. We will continue to organize and seek your kind presence and cooperation. All the vendors for timely getting the work done in time. Now it is time, the responsibility to be handed over to the younger batch who can have their better ideas to take this Bhubaneswar chapter to the climax. Jai Ho, VSUD, UC.
Thank you, Secretary Sahib, for your very illuminating report. Next, we are going to listen to the address by our President, Global Alumni Association, VSUD Budla, Mr. Engineer Ashish Padi. I request everybody present in this hall to kindly give a big ovation and keep the noise low when the speaker is speaking on this dais. Please don't feel otherwise, and please, I may be excused if I am hurting anybody's sentiment.
Respected teachers, Vice Chancellor Sir, the President, Secretary, Treasurer of Bhubaneswar Club, Bhubaneswar sub-center. My alumni, seniors, juniors, and madams, kids. Every year we look forward to Bhubaneswar chapter for this gathering because this is the only gathering where one gets the happiness of seeing the faces of our teachers. We get to see you. And the joy of meeting the seniors, juniors, colleagues, and joy of hugging them is something which cannot be described. It can only be felt. Because we are alumni, we are a different kind of alumni. Every college has got its own alumni, but I think Burla is a special alumni base. Because we are madly in love with UC Burla. For us, UC is not the name of the institution, it's a psyche, a soch. It's the name of a parivar. It stands for courage, it stands for inspiration, for warmth. I know many people who every year go to Himalaya because that is where they get the satisfaction, the love. I mean, they get the peace. Many go for seaside or Goa, things like that. Many go for pilgrimage. But we are the alumni, we go to Burla. Because that is our pilgrimage. वही हमारा हरिद्वार है, वही बद्रीनाथ है, वही हमारा जगन्नाथ धाम है, सब कुछ बुर्ला है. Now, friends, I will quickly take 3 points because these 3 are vital to us. Quick 3 points. First is the Opcama Center. This is for the first time that we are going out of Burla. Burla is outreaching. Out of Burla, we are going to set up asset for the university. Thanks to Suravai, because of whom we got the land. Now, we have collected roughly, a quick number I am telling because precise number is not required. 2 crore we have collected from our alumni base. 1 crore will come from Burla Center because we have got surplus. So that makes the collection to be 3 crores. One of our alumnus from 92 batch, Unna Rajkishore, who committed to give 1.5 crore, has given 20 lakhs in cash because he wanted to stagger the payment with the construction phases. If we request him also, he might give the balance money, so we'll reach to about 4 crore. But actually, I'm revealing before you, that when we took a realistic assessment, realistic estimation, that came to be 15 crore. Okay? And if you go by 1:2 contribution by alumni and government, we have to collect 5 crore. In other words, we have a shortfall of 1 crore. I appeal each and every one of you, please think about it, how we can get this 1 crore, who has not paid, whom to approach. And if I'm correct, Anil Bhai will correct me, I think we can take corporate help also. Anil Bhai, he was somewhere here. Corporate contribution can come? Okay. So we can catch all the corporate helps also. We have to chip in and we have to collect that 1 crore so that we complete 5 crore. Because government has said that they will fund the money only when the money comes to the account. So if somebody gives on paper he says, I commit, I pledge, that is not going to work. So we have to collect 1 crore, that is point number 1. Point number 2 is that our platinum jubilee is knocking the door. Once I took the list of the institutes which have come, from Roorkee School of Civil. From that I took. Our UC Burla or VSS Burla is coming on 13th. It is the 13th oldest government institute in India. Behind Roorkee, Besu, Jadavpur, Osmania, Andhra University and all things, if you take 13th. So, the only IIT which came before us is Kharagpur. All IITs come after us, all NITs come after us. We are the 13th oldest and our Platinum Jubilee we have also. We will be the 13th college in India who is going to celebrate the Platinum Jubilee. And I propose here, I had a discussion with VC sir, 2025 December, we should have the inaugural at Burla, as we did in Golden Jubilee and Diamond Jubilee. Again, 2026, there will be valedictory at Burla. In between, all the sub-centers will be celebrating the Platinum Jubilee. That is my proposal. Offline, we'll discuss that and how to make it a grand one. As I told, we will be the 13th institute in India who will be the pride of celebrating the Platinum Jubilee. Not everybody has got the chance. And lastly, with lot of effort, we had a grant of 2,000 crores. There are a lot of, I'm not going to background. A lot of presentations were made, deliberations were made, all things. Then architect was appointed, a master plan was made, then tender documents were prepared, but somehow things are on hold now. Because within that, the administration, the government changed, the priority changed. We do not know what the fate of that, but I understand BC sir has been called for discussion once or twice. They are reviewing it. We are told that they are reviewing the proposal again. So I will request Brahmavina that Bhubaneswar is the cradle of activities. Burla may be the center, but Bhubaneswar is the cradle of all activities. So please take the lead. We will join you. Again, we have to go to Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, and we'll touch all the ministers, and we'll see that this 2,000 crore comes. Because without that, we are nothing. We will decay. But this is only a fresh blood of that money which can survive it. I have requested Vice Chancellor sir, they might give in various installments. My only request to him is that whatever money comes, let 30 or 40% go to the research or lab. Rest you make the buildings. Khali buildings se institute banega nahi. We badly need new equipment, new labs. So I requested and he has agreed also. 40% of whatever money comes. ये साल में 500 करोड़ मिला. उसका 200 करोड़ चला जाएगा lab में, 300 जाएगा building में. So that is what I have appealed. So these are the 2-3 quick things I have to say. Friends, as somebody has said,